ain't with that nonsense or that lovey-dovey mess. Feeling kinda freaky late night calling cause you got the best. Slip on Victoria's Secret, hit the...
Hello. Welcome back to the channel. So today we are installing another Amazon wig, you know, our favorite place to shop now. Getting straight into the video, I'm going in with my contour. I've found out that I actually like doing my bald cap darker. I feel like it makes the wig come out better. So starting off with that, it's going to be a 26-inch deep wave wig. It's actually transparent lace, and let me just say, I laid this wig to the gods, okay? This is the best install that I've done. The only thing I did to this wig was bleach it and pluck the hairline. I didn't pluck the actual part because we're not doing a part today. We are going to be doing the flip over method. So I'm just going in, marking and cutting in sections, and then I'm going in with my K2's Dreamhouse glue that I always use. So I did go in with 3 layers. I just cut out the other 2 just to make this video shorter. And then I'll just go in with my Got2b hairspray, and then I'll just lay my elastic band for however I feel like it. I really don't time myself, it just is what it is. So actually, by the time you guys see this video, I will be at my SZA concert and the vlog will be coming Friday. I am vlogging and it is turning out pretty good. I was fighting with this, but it's okay. And also, I want to add that for some reason I just randomly started talking in like the middle of the video, so yeah, this voiceover isn't going to be too long. But other than that, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys Friday. Thank you for watching. So basically, what you're telling me is he's living off of you. Oh my goodness. Why is my life so hectic? Why me? Why me? Dude. Oh, that hurt. Okay. I look like, what's his name? Rick James.
To spend time with you, and you're saying you're gonna leave the whole fucking weekend? Are you serious?
Why is he leaving the whole weekend?
He said he has to do an errand. I said, what errand?
He has a wife. He has a wife. He has a wife.
He's got a wife. He doesn't have a wife. Maybe.
Oh, but when I say he has a wife, you gonna say no.
No. I'll call you back.
Ooh, why does that still burn? Is this too big? This looks I still gotta do the other side. Can you say melted? My goodness. I don't got a boyfriend. Dang. Why everybody think I got a boyfriend? I don't got no boyfriend. Dang. Dang. Can I just love myself for once? Please? Is this not like me? Am I out of character this year? I got fat. Oh, see, now guess what? I'm finna starve myself for the next 5 days. Yeah, boy. So this is all I did with the edges. I think this is pretty good. Let me, no. She's cute. but I think this is a look. I did some thumbnail pictures. I ate this. Yeah. I'm gonna play that back, and if it don't look right, I'm gonna cut it out. Oh, if only I wasn't bald-headed. If I cut everything out, then it'll look like it fell perfect. This look like those thick headbands y'all used to wear. And yes, y'all, not us. Okay, let me stop cleaning this hair. My goodness, I'm gonna be in front of this mirror for the next 3 hours. That's gonna be it. I'm about to go ahead and do the other side of my nails because this ain't cutting it. I did one side and realized that you can't even see the design. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely turn on post notifications for This Is a Vlog because yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna post it on Friday, and that's gonna be all 2 days. Yeah, because I think I'm gonna just put it all in one video. And if it's a 35-minute vlog, then it is what it is, because yeah. Thank you so much for watching.
Nonsense or that lovey-dovey mess. Feeling kinda freaky late night calling cause you got the best. Slip on Victoria's Secret.